Hello everyone, welcome back to Tech Jaala. This is Abhishek, and in today's video we'll learn how to convert PDF files to Word document using Python. This can be incredibly useful when you need to edit or extract information from PDFs. We will be using a powerful PDF to Docs library to make this process easy and efficient. So let's get started. First, we have to install PDF to Docs library. Let's install this. Now that we have installed the library, we can start writing our code. We need to import converter class from PDF to Docs library. From PDF to Docs, import converter class. Next, let's specify the input file location. Our input file is a PDF file, right? So my input file is in the input folder. I will copy its path. Similarly, my output file should go to output folder. Now let's perform the conversion. We need to create an instance of converter class. Let me do that. Converter. Inside that, we have to pass the input file path as the parameter. In our case, it is the PDF file. Suppose our PDF file has a password protected. In that case, we can pass the password in it as an argument. Okay. Now, let's collect it via CV. Now we have created a converter instance. Then next step is to call the convert method, cv.convert, and here we have to pass the output file path, docs file. Okay, so by default it will convert all the pages in the PDF to a Word document, and I will close it. Let me execute this code now. Now I'll first open the input file. As we can see, this is a PDF invoice sample file. I'll now open the output file, which has been converted into Word doc. We can now see the converted file. Suppose we need to convert our resume from PDF to Word. So I'll show you a sample resume, which is in a PDF format. Let me try to convert this into Word document. So I'll change the input file name, that is a sample PDF, and I'll save it as resume.docs. Okay, I'll execute this code now. The code has been executed. I'll now open the resume. See, now the PDF has been converted into a Word document, and now we can edit the resume here, right? This is how we can convert the PDF files to Word document. That's it for today's tutorial. We have successfully converted a PDF to Word document using Python and PDF to Docs library. If you found this video helpful, please give it a thumbs up and subscribe to Tech Jaala for more such tutorials. See you in the next video. Bye.